I wanted to come back to 18 for a quick bonus clip because you don't actually need to wrap it all around in your head to be able to get this one figured out. We came up with an expression that we were pretty confident in, that 310 minus 30w, and we've got a method of checking if these expressions are going to be equivalent or not in our calculator. I've shown it before. I'm going to show it again. So first thing you're going to do if you want to check these variable expressions is you want to stow into x. I mean, if you've done it once at the beginning of the test, you're already good. In case you haven't tried doing one of these videos before, this is what you got to do. You got to stow some random number into, stow means to store that number into your variable x. Reason you do this is just to make sure there's no kind of weird mistake happening. So you start by storing that into the x, and it'll say, all right, it's good, I've got that in x. And now you're just going to type in your two expressions you want to check. So we're going to check 310 minus 30w. So 310 minus 30x. And I want to test if it's equal. Again, don't forget, the way you check if two things against each other is you're going to go to that test button, second test, hit the equal sign, and you're going to test it against the different solutions. So we're going to try answer choice 1, just testing it out. 310 minus 8x. And if it was right, it would give us a 1. And good, it gave us, oops, I'm back on the wrong spot. I typed in 310 minus 30x, 310 minus 30x. You go to the test button again, hit the equal sign, and check it against 310 minus 8x. If it gives you a 0, that means it's not the right answer. If it gives you a 1, it means it is right. Now, I rationalized to myself it wasn't this, and I also explained to myself and you all in the last video that I believe it is answer choice 4. Well, let's test that in the calculator just by checking ourselves. I'll come back over here, copy and paste what I've got, and I just want to switch it to, I got to really switch the whole right side. So let's come over here and just delete all this stuff. And now instead of 310, I want it to be 280. 280 minus 30, and then in parentheses, x minus 1. Right? That's what it had for us. I keep going in the wrong direction. 280 minus 30, x minus 1. And if my reasoning was right, I should get a 1. This is telling you got a point, so you got it right. So in case you didn't really understand why we had that algebra going on, what was going on there, you could have just checked by plugging into your test every single one of these different answers and see which one gives you that 1 over there. So calculator is going to be really helpful on this exam if you know how to use it right.